Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing my complete henna aftercare. So let's get started. Take few cloves into a hot pan and then start taking its steam. Then we will need a butter knife or a card to scrape off our henna paste. If you're liking my video already, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Now take any kind of oil. I am using olive oil. Pour it over your henna and massage it properly. To take off any kind of deposits. This is our fresh stain. And this is my mature stain. I kept my henna on for just 2 to 3 hours. If you want more dark stain, you can keep it for 6 to 7 hours.